it seems like the way everybody makes money off of YouTube now is stuff like Patreon. And I'm not gonna go out there begging people for money. I'm just a dude on the internet that makes money. For all you know, I'm not even a real person. I could be a robot. I'm not gonna ask people to give me money. And that's one thing I look back into what I used to do on YouTube is accept donations, and I'm just not fond of it. It's morally wrong in my opinion, because knowing that the majority of subscriber bases are your age or younger, how could you ask for people for money on the internet? And sure, you can say, oh, I made a Patreon and it's there, and if people want to do it, it's not your fault, but you're the person putting it out there, and you know your audience is mostly people younger than you, and I just feel like it's wrong, and I don't want to make money that way. And I'm seeing that even larger YouTubers, dude, I see people, Marvelous Beats has 60,000 subscribers. Every video he makes only makes around 1,000 views. Like, he's not even able to pay for his food for the week, you know? And it's just very unrealistic making money off of ads, because you have to make so much views to make money off of ads, and getting views is just kind of hard.